This video is about loss filling in parchment. It demonstrates various techniques and introduces the supplies needed for the task. Damage to the parchment can include holes or losses. Such damage can result in a loss of information and a reduced aesthetic appearance. Above all, however, it poses a risk of further damage to the object. There are various methods for conserving these areas. The conservation can be carried out using new parchment, reconstituted parchment, or Japanese paper laminated fills. The advantage of using new parchment for conservation is that you are working with the same material. However, new parchment can vary greatly in appearance. Japanese paper laminated fills and reconstituted parchment only resemble parchment in appearance. The following materials are needed for loss fillings with parchment: a piece of polyester film, a piece of parchment, a marker pen, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a scalpel, a brush, 3% isinglass, and a light table. A template is used to create a suitable loss filling. To do this, a polyester film is placed over the damaged area. The outline of the damaged area is traced using a marker pen. Another line is drawn 2 to 3 millimeters away from the first. This is the area that will later overlap the original and must be thinned out. A light table can be helpful for transferring the shape onto the new parchment. The parchment is placed on the polyester film, and the lines are traced with a pencil. Then the loss filling is cut out with scissors. Starting from the inner edge, the parchment is thinned out toward the outside using a scalpel. The protruding edge of the filling is lightly brushed with isinglass. The fill is adhered to the loss from the reverse side and gently rubbed down. It is then dried under light weight between polyester fleece and blotting paper. The following materials are needed for the preparation of reconstituted parchment: demineralized water, MH300, calcium carbonate, potassium aluminium sulfate, also called alum, hide powder, beaker, petri dishes, a spatula, a hand blender, and a scale. First, the solids are weighed out. 8 grams of hide powder are needed. 0.3 grams of MH300 and 2.8 grams of calcium carbonate and 30 grams of alum are required. Furthermore, 1 liter of water is measured out. Approximately half of the water is poured into a beaker. The hide powder is added and mixed for 2 minutes using a hand blender. The solution is then left to stand for 2 to 4 hours. The remaining water, as well as MH300, calcium carbonate and alum, are now added. The whole mixture is blended again for 2 minutes and then left to stand for 24 hours. Before use, the solution is mixed through once more. It should not be applied directly onto the object by leaf casting, as this risks introducing too much moisture into the parchment. templates are therefore more suitable. More information on making templates and leaf casting can be found in this video. Another method of filling is Japanese paper laminated fills. The preparation process is shown in this video. Japanese paper laminated fills can be adapted in color, thickness, and surface to match the parchment. They are particularly suitable for flexible fills, such as on a book spine. Losses in parchment should be filled in order to minimize the risk of further damage and to conserve the visual appearance of an object. There are various methods for filling losses. The choice depends on the object and the nature of the loss.